Esterification is the process of combining an organic or RCOOH with an alcohol or ROH to form an ester or RCOOR and water, or a chemical reaction resulting in the formation of at least one ester product. Ester is obtained by an esterification reaction of an alcohol and a carboxylic acid. Synthesis of ester involves the acylation of different alcohols with a variety of acid compounds such as carboxylic acids, acid chlorides, acid anhydrides, and lower esters. The name of the ester is derived from its carboxylic acid that takes part in the esterification reaction. They have a pleasant smell. They have wide application in the perfume and food industries, and the ester is an organic compound found in oil and fats. The acid we will use in this experiment is salicylic acid with the structure shown below. In this experiment, we will react acetic acid with an methanol in the presence of a strong acid catalyst to form the ester ethyl acetate.
Procedure A. Fill a 100 ml beaker half full with water. Do a test tube, add approximately 2 ml of acetic acid and 20 drops of ethanol. Then mix it. Add 3 drops of concentrated sulfuric acid to the tube. Then mix it. Heat the tube in a water bath until the water boils. Turn off the burner and remove the test tube from the hot water bath. Cool the tube. Provide 25 ml of sodium carbonate solution in 100 ml beaker. Add the mixture solution in the test tube into the sodium carbonate solution. The ester produced in the reaction will float on the water in the tube. Note the odor of the ester by wafting the fumes towards your nose with your hand. Identify the odor produced by relating it to a familiar fruit, flower, etc. Procedure B. Fill a 100 ml beaker half full with water. To a test tube, add approximately 0.5 gram of salicylic acid and 3 ml of ethanol. Then mix it. Add 3 drops of concentrated sulfuric acid to the tube. Then mix it. Heat the tube in a water bath until the water boils. Turn off the burner and remove the test tube from the hot water bath. Cool the tube. Provide 25 ml of sodium carbonate solution in 100 ml beaker. Add the mixture solution in the test tube into sodium carbonate solution. The ester produced in the reaction will float on the water in the tube. Note the odor of the ester by wafting the fumes toward your nose with your hand. Identify the odor produced by relating it to a familiar fruit or flower.
So for the discussion from the procedure A, when the initial temperature of water is 24 degrees Celsius and boiled at 90 degrees Celsius, and we heating the mixture for 6 minutes 24 seconds, we heat the tube. The result of esterification between 2 ml of acetic acid and 20 drops of ethanol and 3 drops of sulfuric acid as a catalyst. After we mix the mixture into sodium carbonate concentrate, show the reaction. There is a bubble and then the odor starts smell by our nose. The smell like acid but slightly the sweet odor, mostly like apple vinegar or glue fox. And from procedure B, when the initial temperature of water is 24 degrees Celsius and the water is boiled at 92 degrees Celsius, when the tube with a mixture of 0.5 gram salicylic acid and 3 ml of methanol and as catalyst 3 drops of sulfuric acid is mixing and heating, it shows a little bubble while heating, and when pour the mixture into sodium carbonate concentrate after cooling, of course, show the reaction. There is bubble and the smell like acid so strong, or it smell like muscle hot cream slightly. For the analysis, state the most important safety concern in this lab and required precaution you took. Okay, because the use of some concentrated liquid that needs special treatment, so it's better to be careful and whenever possible use goggles and gloves. And then for the second one, what was the odor produced by the ester? The odor of ester from the sources is smell like fruity or like the flower, but the result we got from the procedure A is smell like acid by slightly the sweet odor like apple vinegar, and from the procedure B it resulted in smell like acid so strong, or it smell like muscle hot cream slightly. And then write a general equation for the acid catalyzed formation of an ester from an alcohol and carboxylic acid. And this is the general equation. And for the number 4, write a full structural equation for the specific esterification reaction in this experiment. Write the name of each compound below its structural formula. This is with the acetic acid plus ethanol and sulfuric acid as the catalyst will result as ethyl acetate plus water. And then for the 5th, what was the purpose of concentrated sulfuric acid in this reaction? Concentrated of H2SO4 or sulfuric acid is known to be used as a catalyst for esterification reaction. It also acts as a dehydrating agent and is used to accelerate the reaction rate while shifting the equilibrium reaction to the right. And the sixth, in the esterification reaction, the products are in chemical equilibrium with the reactants. Why was the reaction kept free of water during heating? Le Chatelier's principle can be used to predict change in equilibrium concentration when an equilibrium system is exposed to stress. However, if there is a mixture of reactants and products that have not yet reached equilibrium, the change required to reach equilibrium may not be as obvious. And for the 7th, suggest one way of causing the equilibrium to shift in favor of the production of additional ester. Equilibrium shift to the product by using a large excess of alcohol used as a reaction solvent or reactant, and also removing in some cases the water that forms. And the last one, what was the most probable sources of error that would lead to incorrect observation? The amount of concentration, the external picture, the error and missing of the procedure will lead into the incorrect observation and it can make the wrong result of the experiment.